In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF to Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to share a menu, a brochure, a price sheet, or any downloadable document right on your site, this walkthrough is for you. We'll add a clean text link that points to a PDF file using only built-in Squarespace tools so it's easy to maintain later. Start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard. Once you're signed in, click Dashboard to open your site list, then choose Go to Website on the site you want to edit. That opens the site editor. From the left sidebar, select Website, then Pages. In Pages, look under Main Navigation and pick the page where you want the PDF link to live. I'll use a privacy policy page as an example, but you can choose any page that makes sense for your content. Click Edit on that page to enter editing mode. Hover where you want the link to appear and choose Add Block. From the block picker, select Text. A text field appears. Type the anchor text you want visitors to click. To keep things simple, I'll type Download PDF here. You can always change the wording later to match your tone. Now highlight the text you just typed. With the text selected, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. The link settings panel appears. By default, it may show a URL option, but in this case, we're going to link a file. Click URL to reveal the link types and then choose File. That switches the panel to your file library. In the file library, you can search existing files if you've uploaded documents before. If the PDF isn't there yet, click Upload, select your PDF from your computer, and confirm to upload it. Give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. When the upload finishes, open the Uploaded Files view so you can see everything in your library. Find the PDF you just added and click it to attach it to the highlighted text. That connects the link to the file behind the scenes. If you want to double-check details, you can open the file's edit view from here. You'll see options related to the file, including delete. We're not deleting anything. This is just to show you where that control lives if you ever need to remove or replace the document later. Close the file details when you're done reviewing. Back on the page, click Save to apply your changes, then exit the editor. Navigate to the page you edited and look at the text block. The phrase you typed should now appear as a clickable link. Click it to test. Depending on your browser settings, the PDF will open in a new tab or download to your device automatically. Either way, you've successfully added a PDF to your Squarespace site and made it available to visitors. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your file name clear and descriptive so it's easy to spot in your library. If your document is very large, reducing the file size can help it load faster for visitors on slower connections. And whenever you replace a PDF, use the same steps to upload the new version and reattach it to your text, so your link always points to the most current file. That's it. You went from the account dashboard to your site to Pages into a text block and connected a PDF via the file option in the link editor, then saved and checked your work. Thanks for following along and happy building.